one said it'd be easy, but battle by battle, we are going to win this war because I managed to find a couple of PSB woofers with matching specs to the original ones that were in these speakers, which, speaking of which, are right here. That's the good one. And the one that I managed to blow up earlier. Yeah. And I'm lucky to have found two of these, so I can actually ensure a balanced load on it all. And they actually have inverted foam on them, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen that before. And they sound great. And it's just the big speakers that are playing right now. The small ones aren't actually doing anything. They're not connected. Although I really like how they sound, so I will actually grab some more wire and make this a quadraphonic wall of sound. And then, when we get the components, it's time to deal with this bad boy. We'll do some soldering, some desoldering first, I guess, and then some soldering and bring it back to life too. Rock on!